Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie and today we're making frozen slushy makers. Let's open it up. There. Let's just pull it off. I didn't even have to pull off the tape. It's all one big plastic. I don't even have to pick it out one by one. They made this really easy for kids to open. Look at this. It's not written on these instructions. Oh well. Whoa! Ooh. Okay, so this has this spoon in it, and I guess something. Okay. You put this right here, okay? So I guess you have to take out these and put them right there. I basically already know what to do with these. Okay. I guess you put. Oh, okay. I think I'm getting it now. I actually have no idea how to do this. Okay, how do I do this? Use a lever to put down. What do I do? How do I do this? How do I put together this? Anyway, how do I even do this? I know this goes on top right here. I'm going to see what the picture shows here. Okay. Does it even have anything to do with this? Oh, it's what's called. Because, oh yeah, it comes with stickers. Look guys, it comes with stickers. Oh, here's your instructions. Turn it around, okay? Oh, okay. It's supposed to go this way, but the wrong way. Okay. Guys, look, you guys have to spin this so it works. Here it is put together. And these are the ice cube trays. So you basically easy. You just put water in here, and then you put it in there, then it has to freeze, then you put it in here, and then you put this on top, and then you spin this, and then you mix it. But you have to cup under. I'm going to put water in these, and then I'm going to let them freeze, and then I'm going to come back when they're frozen. Okay, see you later. Hey guys, it's the next day, and it's frozen. Now you have to take it out and put it in the top of his head. Okay? Put it on top there. And then I put this down on top like this. So you can fill it up with any juice or soda, and I got watermelon and blue raspberry in here, and then you have to put your hamburger like this, and then you have to put your ice in here, and then you put this on top, I guess, and have to push it down, and then you just grind it. Look, guys. Look at all this ice. Okay. Uh-oh. You think use it, right? This is a small cup. Raspberry. Right down here. Where did I put it? Let's taste it. That is good. Mix them together. It's a little bit watery, but still yummy. It barely can have ice cubes. Everything's so teeny. This toy was really, really fun. I really liked it, but it was really hard to get the ice out. But it was really fun, and it melts really fast. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and not stand.